Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL 1252 PM CDT Tuesday, March 18, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Cowan, Moulton, Albertville, Boaz, Muscle Shoals, Fort Payne, Arab, Florence, Red Bay, Winchester, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Lynchburg, Estill Springs, Sewanee, Fayetteville, Guntersville, Decherd, Decatur, Scottsboro, Town Creek, Cullman, Athens, Russellville, Huntsville, and Rainsville. 1252 PM CDT Tuesday, March 18, 2025. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. CDT Wednesday. Watt south winds 20 to 30 mph with gusts up to 45 mph expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Alabama and southern middle Tennessee. When from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. CDT Wednesday. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution and